Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, night number 1 here in Florida. I don't know nothing about Florida fishing, so I'm gonna cast one out, let it sit, and just see if we can't get something. I'm going on a charter, 2 days, can't wait for that. That should be fun. It's currently midnight, so I'm just gonna get right into fishing and see if we can't get something. Hook a shrimp on like that with a split shot. I'm gonna cast this one out and let it sit. Already we got one. Ladies and gentlemen, we already have one. It seems kind of big. Yeah, we got something. We got something. It's a venomous cat. Right on. The thing is with these catfish down here, is that their barbs, since they're in the salt water, they're actually venomous. So these two, here, let me get them off. Alrighty. So with these saltwater cats, the guy said that this pectoral fin, that one, and its dorsal fin are all venomous. So don't want to get hit by any of them, but first fish of the night. Let's get them back in the water and see if we can't catch some more. Fish one! Let's go! Hey. Oh, we got one. We got something on this one. Turn the camera. There we go. I don't know what it is. Oh, it seems big. It seems bigger. What do we got? What do we got? Hey, it's a bigger catfish. Ooh, did he choke it? Oh, I don't have pliers. All right, I'll be right back. I need to find pliers. Oh, well, line snapped. You're gonna watch me vanish. I'm going over here. Yo, this might be random. I went to Chili's for the first time. Solid. Later, homies. Holy crap, I got something. I got something. Didn't even hit the bottom yet. I got something. Oh yeah. Where is it? Oh my gosh. I truly... Oh. What the heck? The little one's screaming. The little one's going good. This one's going good. No! I missed it! No! No! That one back out and the big one back out and see if we can't catch a monster tonight. Been a great night. It's nice out here. It's beautiful. This one had a weird bite to it. It was like a quick, and it just went, and that was all. So I don't know what bit it there, but this one didn't even hit yet. I didn't even get to set the drag on it and it was already gone. Caught it, took it off, about to show you guys something, and that little one started peeling. I want to catch one on that little one. That'll be so fun if I can catch one on that little tiny thing. But yeah. Oh, it's going. It's going. It's going. Hear that? Well, guess what? You're not gonna hear it no more. Oh, I got some. Well, tore up our bait, but it came off. That's kind of sad. Oh, there it is. Maybe. Yeah, there's something there. Alrighty. Ready? A 3, a 2, a 1. Got it. Whatever it is. It's a tiny little catfish. Yoink. Oh, that one's actually not that small. That one's bigger. A little bit bigger. Did it choke it? It choked it. Get that. Alrighty, so that is 4, 5. That's 4 or 5 catfish, I'm not sure. Alrighty, folks. It's 2:30. I'm gonna go in, get some sleep. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, night number 2. It's about 11 right now. I'm only gonna fish till midnight because I'm waking up at 5:30 tomorrow morning to go on a fishing charter. Hopefully we'll get something there. I got 3 poles out right now. My brother's got 1, I got 2. Just going for a cat for the night. Dang it, dude, there was no run. There was no run to it. I don't really know what it is. Where is it? Is that the tiniest catfish I've ever seen? That is... And that's not a catfish.
Oh, wow.
Oh, dang it.
What is it?
This line's not strong enough. I really hope this thing's not like venomous or something.
Probably got teeth, dude.
I think everything in here has teeth.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, what is that?
What is that?
I don't know. There it is. First fish of the night. No idea what it is, but
You gotta look that up.
yeah, so let's get her back. Whee! Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it's a little bit past midnight. It's a little later than I wanted to, but that's all right because we caught a fish. It wasn't a catfish, which is what I thought I was going to be catching, but that's all right that we only caught 1 tonight because tomorrow we're going on a charter. It's going to be a mangrove charter. We're going to be catching snapper, grouper, redfish, all the above, and then after that we're going to be doing some nighttime pier fishing for monster snook, redfish, and shark. So tomorrow's going to be exciting. Today was a little boring, but that's all right. So I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, just shut the door. We're about to leave now. 5:40 in the morning. As you can tell, I probably look a little bit tired, but that's all right because we're going to have an absolute blast.
Thank you.
Swimming towards you, Pablo.
Baby Jack Gravel. Pulls when he pulls out. In the boat, man. I'm out.
Well, at least when you got your first one, it was a keeper, Colonel.
Look, there's one right there. Oh yeah, baby.
That one's got spots.
Still of them now.
That one's a trout. He's got to go back.
Right there.
Dang it. Did I get robbed? Oh, I got it. I didn't know I had it. I thought it got off.
Waiting. It tastes really good. No size limits on it.
That ain't bad.
Are you the video?
Yeah. Probably. Man, am I lucky. Yeah, I don't know what it is though. Yeah, I don't really know what this is.
They took that sucker hard. And all of a sudden, you let go.
That's what this thing's
Nailed
doing.
it. Another one?
I caught a hammerhead.
Got a shark.
I caught a hammerhead shark.
What do you got, bud?
Picture of that, Colton.
Stop. Where is he?
Down here.
I got a little hammerhead.
I got a little.
Bomb hit.
Oh, really? Am I allowed to hold this one?
Yep. I'll let her eat it.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, heck yeah.
Got one there yesterday.
Just have more of a curve on the front of their
Yeah.
head. Yeah, it's a hammerhead. I saw it.
That's a bomb hit there. Guarantee it's a bomb hit.
When he said that, I'm like, nah, did you?
Hammerhead is flat. Eyeball is flat on the end. This one's not. This one is not. There it is. Don't reel, just raise them up.
I'm just letting them run.
Reel again, reel.
It's got a little hammerhead on it. And he's lying.
Coming over.
Right on.
Right behind the jaw. Right behind the jaw.
They're behind the jaw, right?
Let go. Right there. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. And there you go. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we just got back from the charter. What a fun day. Kind of sucks that my GoPro died. I got one of the ones where you just can't bring extra batteries. But what are you gonna do? I caught a shark. That's amazing. That makes me super happy. I'm just probably gonna lay around for a while, take a nap. A little bit tired, so catch up with y'all when we go to the pier tonight. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it is now nighttime and we are fishing on a new pier. I got 2 poles out at the end. I got one there, and I got one right there. I don't know what's out here, so we're just kind of fishing blind right now, and hopefully we get something. Well, we got one on. I kind of missed the bite. Freaking things like that. Tiny little male. That's how you can tell it's male. Looks like a wiener. We just keep catching crabs, but it's fun.